Hi, Orange County. Congressman Harley Rouda here to give you an update on COVID-19. We are in our fourth week of statewide stay-at-home order, and in the past month, life as we know it has changed. But guess what? It's working. California was the first state to issue a statewide stay-at-home order, a bold move that has protected the public health and helped us flatten the curve, ensuring that we have the healthcare infrastructure needed to help critical patients fight this disease. Here are the latest Orange County COVID-19 statistics. Unfortunately, 1,378 cases have inflicted us here in Orange County with 22 deaths, 104 hospitalized, 45 in ICU. In some ways, those are encouraging numbers, but we have to remember that we have tested less than half of the percentage of Orange County's population. Let me repeat that. Less than half of 1% of our county's population has actually been tested. The United States has one of the lowest COVID-19 testing per capita rates in the world. That's why physical distancing has been so incredibly important and widespread. We just don't have enough information to isolate pockets and transition our economy back, so we have to continue to use the tools we have in hand. These actions are saving lives in California. But I want to be honest with all of you, we are not done. Physical distancing will not end in the coming days or even weeks. Life as we know it will continue to be fundamentally different. California has entered into a partnership with Washington and Oregon and are working to create a plan to reopen our economy. I will keep you updated on that progress and the progress the federal government is making to jumpstart our economy. In the meantime, as we stay safe at home, rent is still due, businesses are still struggling. I am fighting to push for small business relief that helps our Main Street mom and pop shops, not billion-dollar Wall Street bailouts. The small business initiative, the PPP, is working, but we have to get more small businesses in through that process of not just being able to apply for a loan, but get the loan so that they can stay open. And all future COVID-19 congressional bills must reflect the fact that we have to keep the backbone of our economy, small businesses, open and ready to thrive once we are able to reopen for business. You can visit my website at rouda.house.gov for more information on the loans, grants, and resources available to small businesses. As always, our team is here to serve you. You can visit my website to connect with my office, who can assist you with everything from SBA loans to filing to unemployment, or even getting friends and family stuck abroad back to OC. In fact, we were able to successfully bring 23 of our stranded constituents back after a long, arduous process, and we're so happy that they are able to be reunited with their families. Even while struggling to keep the lights on, we have seen the local business community step up and serve our neighbors. Countless restaurants are offering discounted COVID-19 specials or partnering with local food banks. Grocery stores are giving away groceries and produce to frontline healthcare workers. Owners are opening up their supply chains, selling or donating items like toilet paper. This is who we are. This is Orange County at its best, a community filled with generosity, ingenuity, and grit. When times get tough, the people of Orange County get going. And it's an honor to serve the people of Orange County. And I won't stop fighting to ensure that working families and small businesses are put front and center as we rebuild our economy. I want to thank all of you for doing your part by staying home. I know it's not easy, and we must continue to be tough and know that this sacrifice is quite literally saving lives. And for those of you who aren't on the front lines, the nurses, the doctors, and healthcare professionals, our first responders, those who are keeping supply chains open so that we can have food on our table, thank you. You truly are American heroes. Finally, almost 30,000 of our fellow Americans have died from COVID-19, many of them without the comfort of their family members by their side. Many more are fighting to stay alive. Let's keep these families in our thoughts and prayers. Stay safe, stay home, and stay OC strong.